Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to clean your sunscreen. And yes, let's get started.
I've talked about sunscreens in the past, and in today's video I'll share my experience with double cleansing and also with single cleansing with you guys. And yes, is it absolutely necessary for you to double cleanse?
However, if you're using makeup or sunscreen which is a physical sunscreen and which sits on top of your face, which is loaded with non-nano zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, I absolutely think that double cleansing is necessary.
So first of all, let's start with double cleansing and the 3 ways of doing it.
Let's start off with the first method, and the first method is micellar water and then using your cleanser. For this method, you can use a micellar water of your choice and then proceed with a gentle cleanser like Cleanse Me on.
As I have a super sensitive skin, I don't prefer this method of cleaning my face because you need to scrub your face with a cotton swab in this case and then a cleanser.
For the second method, you can use a oil cleansing balm, and this is my favorite method, and then proceed with a cleanser of your choice.
I've been using this matcha green tea cleansing balm from Arthrhythm for more than a month now, and yes, I absolutely love this one. And this does melt within the palms of your hand. It helps to clear the dirt, grime and the sunscreen, and it is useful in removing both physical and chemical sunscreen. And afterwards, I emulsify it with water, creates a foam, and this cloth is ultimately necessary because it helps to remove that foam. And this is how my face looks after like 1 month of usage, and it is absolutely doing good, and this is without any filters. Now there were some reviews about it not removing waterproof makeup, and that's why I tested it with my waterproof eyeliner, and it was able to do the job pretty well along with the cloth, and that is why I'm stressing more on the cloth and the cleansing balm combo and not the cleansing balm alone. And yes, I do absolutely love this one. This is not a sponsored video by any means, so yeah, take my words. Afterwards, after using this cleansing balm, obviously you can proceed with the cleanser of your choice. Coming to the third method of double cleansing, and that is with the oil and proceeding with the cleanser. So I have used a lot of oils in the past 1 year, or yeah, it's more than a year even I have been using oils. So this is the jojoba oil from VS Herbals. I have used hemp seed oil from Juicy Chemistry. I have used beautifying serum from Dega, rosehip oil from Dega. And yes, I did try out a lot of oils, and I might do a video in the future, but as of now, yes, you can obviously use oils, but the second method is what I prefer over the oil method because sometimes oil don't suit everyone and every skin type. So I prefer the second method more than the oil cleansing. And for oil cleansing, I have found that even hemp seed oil, more than hemp seed oil, I felt like jojoba oils performs the best among all the oils, all the different kinds of oil which I have tested on myself. But yes, it's a personal decision and it's up to you to choose your oil. And then you can proceed with a foaming cleanser of your choice. You can use a Cipla Salicylic DS or Salicylic cleanser if you're having acne oily prone skin. Otherwise, you can go for any other gentle foaming cleanser like the Kaya one if you are having a gentle or sensitive skin.
These are the most popular methods of double cleansing. However, obviously it is up to you and up to your skin type, and you are the one to determine whether you need to double cleanse or not. If you feel that your face is clean enough with a single cleanse, I don't think it is necessary for you to follow the trend. With a physical sunscreen, I do follow a double cleanse method because I really tried with the sun cross tint sunscreen, and it was really difficult for me to remove the sun cross tint alone with a cleansing balm, and I needed a double. You're not sure whether your cleansing balm is cleaning properly, just take a cotton swab and just check it out whether it is cleansing your face well or not. So yeah, that was all about today's video. I hope you find it useful, and yes, stay tuned for more such videos, and you can subscribe to my channel if you have stayed until this point. So yeah, thank you, and see you in my next video super soon. Take care. Bye bye.